After you've downloaded these documents, the next step is to give this document here, number 1, Grammar Introduction. Give this document to your MTT. And you'll ask the MTT to translate these sentences into the target language. Now, if you want to provide a national language translation of each of these sentences down below, that's perfectly fine. Or you can put anything you'd like over in the English column. Over here, generally you put only the target language text. And there's a reason for that, which you'll see in a minute. But you can put anything you want into the English column. So give this document, this empty template, to your MTT. Since we're doing, for these videos, we're doing English, we will link TBTA to this document now. And the way we do that is we come over here and we go to Setup, Word Docs and Source DBs. And the first option is Grammar Introduction. You have all of the books of the Bible in here. So you can have these documents for any book of the Bible that you want. But we always start with the Grammar Introduction. You say Browse, and we're going to find that document. So we'll go here, and it's this one. We want the one with English. So we see that. And then we say OK. And now you see here, whatever, this is the target language translation right here. Up in this window, our Grammar Introduction document, the English, and then the target language text. And then TBTA also shows you, it goes to the English database associated with TBTA and gets that translation. So this is always an up-to-date translation. These two sentences come from the Word document. And for example, we can say here, XYZ, ABC. We can save it. And then when we come here, do a right-click, one menu option is retrieve the text from the Word document. So now we see XYZ and ABC. So whatever you put in the document is up here, and then this comes from the English database associated with TBTA. Let's go back. We want to delete these. Oh, by the way, sometimes you want to put in comments. And if you want to do that and you don't want the comment to appear, you can put the ellipsis marker. And now if you put XYZ and we save this, and then we retrieve it again. So now this is still here. This is over in the English column, remember? But a person walked, period. We don't see the XYZ. So anything that you put after an ellipsis marker won't be displayed in TBTA. Let's do the same over here. And make sure you save it after you edit it, and then retrieve it. So you only get, TBTA will only retrieve the text that precedes an ellipsis marker. And that's helpful because fairly often you'll want to enter comments down here. After your MTT has translated these sentences and you work through them with TBTA, then you'll have questions, and you can put these questions down below after an ellipsis marker. So now we're ready to actually start working on our lexicon and grammar. Our goal is now to enter the right words and make TBTA match the mother tongue's translation as closely as possible. Now, the MTTs don't always provide an exact translation, as you know. So sometimes we have to be careful. But hopefully they will provide their equivalent of each of these sentences, and then we want to match their translations as closely as possible. In the next video, we'll talk about how to actually start entering the data.